package in the mail, so I'm gonna open it up right now. There we go. In case you're wondering, Kayla, that gal who's driving, she's my staff, Dawn.
Oh, okay.
Perhaps the tweezer wouldn't work. I guess I'll have to rip the box open like that. And see if we could... Yeah. So, yeah, even some bubble wrap too. You can see it says system sensor after that bubble wrap, but what is it? Hang on, I gotta put this down. There's these bags on. Yeah. It's a SpectrAlert Classic. And open it up right here and see there is something red. I don't know if you could see it very well, but it's the first time I ever had this. You can see there is something red. In case you didn't wonder, is that for mass notification? Well, no. You can see it is a true Chinese SpectrAlert Classic. Model number on this is P2475RLZ. Remember these, Kayla?
Yeah.
So, I wonder if there's a removal tool in there. Yes, there is. So I didn't bring my keys. So I'm gonna... Yep. Dag. Nick Sue wasn't even kidding when he said they're kind of a pain on the Chinese ones sometimes, because he owns some of these too. And, oh, the tab got stuck in. So, got an extra removal tool that I could put on my keychain. Got this brand new box. See, there it is right here. Yeah. Anyways, put this on back on the plate. There we go. You can see it's just like a North American one, except it's got red lens and Chinese markings. So anyways, thank you for watching.